If the soap does not specify that it is for your face and your body, don't put it on your face, y'all. Don't do it, because you're drying your skin out and you're looking old for no reason. I'm bringing it back, y'all. Sunday unboxing. That's why you see the little corner of the box. 2025 is going to be full of unboxings because there are a lot of brands that have sent me some things, and there are brands that I just want to try out. If you're a brand that wants me to unbox your products, hit me up. Hit me up. Today we are featuring Rita Pardo of Pardo Naturals. I met Miss Rita on Periscope, y'all. Y'all have been hearing a lot about Periscope. During that time on Periscope, I met some amazing women, especially amazing Black women who had their own businesses doing their thing, and I love their products still to this day. And if you know, you know. Miss Rita Pardo, she has a line called Pardo Naturals. And let me just say, I had to go back to her because I used to only use her soaps. She has artesian handmade soaps, and I used to only use her soaps, and I don't know what happened. I think I lost track, or life just happens. The pandemic happened, all this stuff, and so I had like a year's worth of her soap, and I ran out. And then I realized, like, oh my god, I don't have any more like of the soap. And finally I found her online. I went back and I ordered a whole, y'all. Okay? I'm not running out of no more soap, Rita. Okay? I don't have time for this. And I ordered a few other things as well. So I did 2 orders because she was having some incredible sales. So I did 2 orders. And I'm super excited. So I'm not running out of no more soaps. I ordered more than soaps, but listen, the soaps was the reason. If you know anything about natural handmade soaps, or those good soaps that you love to buy, you need soap dishes. Okay, you need something to put your bar on that allows it to dry out and not collect bacteria and so on and so forth. So I got these good soap dishes. These are natural wooden soap dishes from her. I got 2 of them because I am not letting my soaps go to waste, honey. Okay? Let's start with the dragon fruit and hibiscus cleansing bar. I don't know if I open them, is it going to make them the smell go out like too soon or whatever, but this is one of the first ones that I'm going to use, so I'm going to open this. Let me tell you, this is gorgeous. So the next bar is a V Clean Feminine Cleansing Bar. I'm going to go ahead and pair that with another Black woman-owned product that I have called Condition Her, because we need to keep it all together down there, and not a lot of people talk about our hygiene, especially for Black women. We need to make sure that we're using things that are as clean as possible. And what I mean by that is without all the chemicals, without all the dyes and perfumes and all of that stuff, because like literally our health is on the market. They are selling us bad health. If you don't do nothing else, go pick up this V Clean Feminine Cleansing Bar from Pardo Naturals and pick up this Feminine Moisturizer Condition Her. I'm super excited about this one. Coconut Water and Pineapple Cleansing Bar. I cannot wait, y'all, to lather these up. You heard? They're so gorgeous. I don't know how to say it. Hey Siri, how do you pronounce Verbena?
Verbena verbi, also known as vervain or vervine, is a genus in the family Verbinaceae.
Coconut line verbena. This one's good for face and body. This is turmeric and ginger facial and body cleansing bar. We gotta stop like using soaps that are not for our face on our face. If the soap does not specify that it is for your face and your body, don't put it on your face, y'all. Don't do it, because you're drying your skin out and you're looking old for no reason. I'm just saying. So, turmeric and ginger facial and body cleansing bar. Can't wait for that one. You guys are probably asking, like, how is she going to use all that soap? Listen here, because I'm going to use it. Now we have a shampoo and body bar. I'm super excited about this one. Turmeric and aloe. I can smell this through the packaging too. Turmeric and aloe shampoo and body bar. Can't wait to get this in my hair. I'm excited to see how my hair will react to this. I've not used bar shampoo before, so this will be my first time. I love lavender, and so this is a lavender chamomile cleansing bar. Love, can't wait. This bar is absolutely gorgeous, and it's a bar that I had my eye on, and it's what made me go down the frenzy of making sure that I have all my soaps. And this is the strawberry pound cake cleansing bar. Y'all, I cannot wait to smell like strawberry pound cake. Okay, Rita. Yes, honey. So we have got 8 bars in total. We got our soaps, but there's more. So, ooh, it smells so good. So, but first, coffee. French vanilla latte soy wax candle. I can already smell the coffee. Little coffee beans. Ooh, yes. Something different about like the way that handmade candles smell when you first open them, and then plus when you burn them, is so much better. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. Sis loves it. I know she says with her brain, you better get you some. Y'all, you better get you some. So while I was on her site perusing, I saw that she has scented body oil, and she has it in vanilla, and I love a good vanilla. So thank you for sending it in the plastic bag, because if we know anything, we know oil is gonna leak, okay? I love that it's green. So apply this as often as needed. We're gonna store this in a cool, dry place. Yes, I should actually open the tube, but we can just pour a little bit out. We gotta unplug the stopper because it's brand new, duh. You guys, let me tell you something. This actually smells different when you just like open the bottle and smell it, but when you start rubbing it in, it like activates. This is gorgeous. Oh yes, and it feels amazing. My hands feel so much better now because my cuticles were dry. Okay, yes, my cuticles were so dry. Oh my goodness. Hey, we got sheer lip gloss. I've never tried her lip gloss yet, but this says Skittles grape. So it's clear. It looks like a little candy. And it's just a clear. You guys, Rita, how'd you do this? It smells like Skittles. Oh, it don't taste like Skittles. Okay. Love it. It did say scented. It did not say that it was tasted like that. I also love that she puts these little peppermints in. I remember that from when I used to order from her years ago. Drum roll, please. Matcha green tea coconut body and facial scrub. Again, love that she knows to put them in the plastics. Green tea coconut body and facial scrub. Just gonna put a little on my hands because just told you my cuticles were dry. Ooh, this is a nice consistency. I've had Rita scrubs before and I loved them. They kept my body soft and nice. This, oh, my hands are gonna feel so bomb for the rest of the day. So you need to go and get you some, okay? Go and get you some Pardon Naturals. Candles, soaps, soap dishes, lip glosses, lotions, body creams, whatever you see on the site that, you know, get your interest, go and get it, okay? I'm gonna go rinse this scrub off. Rita, thank you so much, my love. I'm so glad that I found you and that I could get this order in. I'm here to support you, sis, and you guys go get you some, okay? Pardon Naturals, go get you some. Black owned, Black woman owned, and it's made with love. And Rita is an amazing woman, and on top of that, she's a mother, she's a wife, she's a daughter, and she's our sister. So let's go and support her, you guys, all right?